Okay, we've got our second group of puppies from Winnie and Blaze. These are F1B mini Aussiedoodles. And so, who should we start with, huh? Why don't we start with Bandit? This is Bandit. Bandit's also called red collar male. What do you think, fella? He is this beautiful merle color. We'll show you his markings here. Say hi. And he's got the tan on his face. Bandit's really sweet. He's gonna have a really nice wavy coat, looks like. What do you think, fella? What do you think? Huh? You wanna go play? Yeah. Here you go, buddy. Meow, meow. So that's Bandit. And then let's go ahead and do Honey. So Honey is pink collar female. Say hi. Say hi. We think Honey's gonna have a curly coat. What do you think? So Honey is a confident puppy. She's super sweet. She's got a really soft coat. Are you just a happy girl? Are you just a happy girl? Yeah. So this is Honey. All right, you go play. All right, let's see if we can get your brother over here. Come here, buddy. Buddy, come here, Papa. Come here, buddy. Buddy. Come here, fella. Buddy is having a ball with his beat toy. Come here, fella. Can I borrow you for a minute? All right. Now, we've got Mr. Buddy here. Buddy is green collar male. Hi. What do you think? Thank you for the kisses. Buddy is a happy puppy. He's always really wagging that tail. And he is the tricolor. So he's got really pretty black coat. And he's got the tan points on his legs and on his face. And he's got a little bit of white on his chest. What you think, bud? But he looks like he's got some really pretty waves. He's gonna have a really nice wavy doodle coat, aren't you? Yeah, what do you think? So that's Mr. Buddy. You go play with your toy? You go play with your toy? There you go, eat it. He's just a happy puppy, aren't you? Come here, pup-ups. Puppy, 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 puppy. Come here. There comes Honey. Come on, Bandit. You can bring your toy. There we go. Good puppies. There we go. Good puppies. Good job. All right. Good luck.